An employee of UCO Bank's Agartala branch, Ramayani Sri Moyi, has been arrested in connection with ₹16 crore fraud. She is being taken from the Agartala Women's Police Station to the court today to be presented before a judge. An employee of UCO Bank's Agartala branch, Ramayani Sri Moyi, has been arrested in connection with the 16 crore fraud. The incident came to light when the Agartala Municipal Corporation discovered that 16 crore rupees had been stolen from the bank. The corporation filed a complaint at the West Agartala Police Station. A special police team was formed to investigate the matter. During the investigation, the team arrested Ramayani Sri Moyi, a female bank employee who worked at the UCO Bank's Agartala branch. She hails from Naogan, Assam. Sri Moyi is being taken to the Agartala West Women's Police Station and presented before a judge later today as the investigation into this significant financial crime continues. According to West District Additional Superintendent of Police, Dhruva Nath, the police are currently investigating whether any other bank employees were involved in the fraud.
আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখন পর্যন্ত তদন্তে যেটা প্রাইভেসি আছে একজন ব্যাংক আধিকারিককে আমরা এখন গ্রেপ্তার করেছি। এখন তদন্ত চলছে, বাকি তদন্ত সাপেক্ষে বাকি আমাদের ইনভেস্টিগেশনের অগ্রগতি নির্ভর করবে।
আটক করা হয়েছে নামটা
ওনার রামিয়ানি শ্রীময়ী। আগরতলায় পোস্টেড ছিলেন উনি।
কোন ব্যাংকে?
ইউকো ব্যাংক।
আর তার সঙ্গে আর কারো কেউ আছে
সেটা আমরা দেখছি। এই মুহূর্তে আমার পক্ষে বলা সম্ভব হচ্ছে না, কারণ তদন্ত চলছে। বাকি যদি আপডেট হলে আমরা আপনাদেরকে বলতে পারি।
Further details regarding how the funds were misappropriated and the specific role of the arrested employee are yet to be disclosed as the investigation is still in its early stages. The incident has sent shockwaves through the local banking and administrative circles, and authorities have issued a thorough probe to bring all culprits to justice. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chinikhora.
আমার তো 50 কেজি না